Hook, is Tesla's Optimus really leading the humanoid robot race? Or is it just hype? With Boston Dynamics, Figure, and Unitree all pushing the boundaries, let's break down how Optimus compares to its rivals across 5 key categories: mobility, dexterity, intelligence, manufacturability, and cost. Here's your 2025 snapshot of the humanoid robot race. Main content, major players. Tesla Optimus, announced in 2021, now in its third generation, leveraging Tesla's AI and manufacturing strengths. Boston Dynamics Atlas, known for viral parkour and agility, but costly and mainly a research platform. Figure AI, backed by major funding and BMW partnerships, focusing on manufacturing uses. Unitree H1, affordable, rapid iteration, but less advanced in balance and dexterity. Agility Digit, minimalist design, optimized for warehouses, not full human mimicry. Mobility. Atlas leads in athletic feats running, jumping, complex terrain but with high energy use and short battery life. Optimus prioritizes practical, energy-efficient walking, up to 8+ hours per charge, stairs, and real-world navigation. Figure and Unitree show solid mobility, but not at Atlas or Optimus's level. Digit is stable but limited to simple environments. Dexterity. Optimus stands out with 22 degrees of freedom in its hands, enabling fine manipulation like threading a needle or catching objects. Atlas has improved grippers but lacks fine motor skills. Figure and Unitree have capable hands, but less proven dexterity. Digit is specialized for package handling. Intelligence. Optimus leverages Tesla's real-world AI, learning tasks by demonstration and adapting on the fly powered by custom AI chips. Atlas relies more on pre-programmed routines, with some machine learning integration. Figure focuses on imitation learning, but hasn't matched Optimus's breadth. Unitree and Digit use more basic control systems. Manufacturability and cost. Tesla is scaling up fast, aiming for 5,000 units in 2025, with costs projected to drop below $20,000 per robot. Atlas is expensive, over $500,000, low volume, and not mass-produced. Figure and Unitree are ramping up, but at higher costs, $80,000 to $100,000 plus. Digit is in small-scale production, with high price tags. Outro. So is Optimus leading? For practical deployment, dexterity, intelligence, cost, and scale, Tesla Optimus is ahead. Atlas still rules athletic mobility, but at a much higher cost and lower practicality. Figure, Unitree, and agility are strong contenders, but none match Tesla's full package right now. The race is moving fast, and today's leader could be tomorrow's runner-up. Who do you think will win the humanoid robot race? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.